In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide messages notifications on the lock screen. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, head over to Settings and then scroll down until you find Messages. Right over here, you can easily find notifications, and if we get into it, we'll be able to configure the ways we would like to get notifications from Messages app. First off, towards the very top of the screen, we can find the option which is called Allow Notifications, and we can easily turn off by just toggling off one single button all the notifications except critical alerts for Messages app. However, if you would like just to hide messages on the lock screen, you can, towards the middle of the screen, easily uncheck mark right here where it says lock screen, and once it is turned off, you won't be able to get any messages notifications on the lock screen. Also in here you can turn on or off notifications in the notification center and banners. That's all it takes to hide messages notifications on your iPhone's lock screen. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.